Hey YouTube, there's a lot of discussion about where I got the audio for my music box video, and how you get audio in a slow motion video in general. In this video, I'm going to look at some of the pitfalls of trying to add audio to a slow motion video. The biggest one is that human hearing drops off around 20 Hz. Vibrations slower than about 20 Hz aren't heard as a tone, although they can sometimes be felt. When you slow down the audio to match a slow motion video, its pitch drops accordingly. If you slow down the video 1,000 times, the pitch will also drop 1,000 times. This means that a 1 kHz tone will turn into a 1 Hz tone, which is well below the audio spectrum which humans can hear. The other problem is, even a high frequency noise that could be shifted into the audible spectrum, but maybe even the low one, requires a lot of air to be moved. If the tone turns into a 20 Hz tone, then you need a large subwoofer or a good pair of headphones in order to hear anything. In order to demonstrate this, I've taken a speaker and played a number of low frequency tones and recorded them for you. See if you can hear any of them. If you have a subwoofer or a good pair of headphones, you may have been able to hear down to the 20 or 50 Hz tones. My laptop doesn't even begin to make noise until it reaches 100 Hz, which makes adding slow motion sound very difficult because some people just won't hear it at all. In order to demonstrate this, I filmed the music box again at a lower frame rate, only 3000 frames per second. This will reduce its speed 100 times. I've also re-recorded the audio and slowed it down accordingly by 100 times. This means that the highest notes from the music box, which are around 15,000 Hz, and the lowest notes, which are only 5,000 Hz, get shifted down to the spectrum between about 150 Hz and 5 Hz. The lowest notes will be well below what humans can hear, but the higher notes are just about at the range which a laptop or a good pair of headphones can reproduce. The last problem with trying to add audio to a high-speed video is the sample rate of your microphone. Just like a high-speed camera takes more pictures per second, a microphone can take more samples per second. At 96,000 samples per second, the highest frequency noise I can record is about 48,000 Hz. If I slow down the audio 1,000 times, the highest possible noise that I can record will still only land at 48 Hz when played back 1,000 times slower. This is still well below what most people can hear and most audio equipment can reproduce. So where does this leave us for adding sound to our high-speed videos? If it's for purposes of education or demonstrating something, I leave my high-speed videos without any sound effects because I don't want to have any misleading information. If it's for entertainment purposes, me and many other videographers will either use the original sound source but slowed down to a lesser degree, or they will sample from a set of standard sound effects, slowed down to look and feel accurate, even if they aren't. I hope you found this video interesting, and if you'd like to see more like this, check out my channel. Thanks for watching.